Hey, what's up? Welcome to new video, welcome to new topic, and welcome to learn something new. So today in this video I will be showing you top cheap equipments that you can buy for your YouTube studio. And yes, these are cheap, but these are not low quality, these are high quality. I will not say the highest quality, but high quality equipments. So don't confuse cheap with low quality. These are all high quality equipments and these are all under your budget, and yes, all are under 1000 rupees. So get yourself popcorn and coke and get ready for the haluva ride.
Let's go!
So before starting the video, let me tell you that all the equipments I have shown in the video, all their purchase links are available in the description box below, so you can go and purchase them through the links. Obviously these are affiliate links, so if you want to buy some of the equipments from the video, then please go and buy from the affiliate links. That will cost you nothing but can help the channel. So if you buy anything that I've shown in the video, then please buy from the description box below. Now let's move on to the video. So our first equipment is of lighting. So don't get me wrong, but the soft boxes available on Amazon and Flipkart or anywhere are too costly. They cost around 2000-3000 rupees and they are very costly. So in the upcoming videos of my channel, I will be showing you how to make a softbox at your home under 100 rupees. So stay tuned for that and subscribe to the channel for that. But in this video I will be telling you the best solution for lighting, and that is the ring lights. They are quite very popular nowadays among the creators, and many creators use the ring lights. So I have found two ring lights for you, and they are not just ring lights, they are ring lights with tripod stand, and they have some of the great features, and also they are all under 1000 rupees. So that's a great thing. So I have found two ring lights for you. One ring light costs 699 and another ring light costs 999 rupees, that means 1000 rupees. So what are the differences between them? Speaking of the first, the 699 ring light, you get a 12-inch ring light with 3 color modes, and you can adjust the brightness of the ring light, and also you get a 7 feet tall tripod stand when open fully. And it's great that you are getting a 12-inch ring light with a 7 feet tripod at just 699 rupees, and that's a great thing. And now speaking of the 999, that means 1000 rupees ring light, it is a 18-inch ring light with 9 feet tall tripod stand, and all other things are same. There are 3 color modes and adjustable brightness of the ring light, all are same, but the only difference between the 699 and a 999 tripod stand is that the 699 ring light is of 12 inch while the 1000 rupees ring light is of 18 inch, and the 699 ring light has a tripod of 7 feet while the 1000 rupees ring light has a 9 feet tall tripod stand. So you can buy both of them from the description box below. Now many of you may need a tripod stand, a high quality tripod stand, but you don't want any ring light with it. So I have found a great quality tripod stand for you, and it is called the Digitek DTR 550LW, and it's a 67-inch tripod when open fully. And Digitek as a trusted brand, you can trust on it, and it's around 1.5 to 1.6 thousand rupees. It's slightly costlier than what our price range is. It is around 1.5 to 1.6 thousand rupees, but the quality of this tripod will be much better than all the tripods you will buy under 1000 rupees. So if you want to buy any tripod that not just carry your phone but can carry your heavy cameras also, then you should go for this. Let me tell you about some of the features of it. It can carry weight up to 4.5 kg. It has a 360-degree ball head, and it also has a carry bag included, and it is an aluminum tripod, so you can carry it easily everywhere. So if you want to buy a tripod, a high quality tripod for cheap, then I would recommend you the Digitek DTR 550 LW tripod. So you can buy it from the description box below. Now let's move on to next equipment. So our next equipment is a microphone, and the only microphone that I can recommend to you guys is the Boya by M1, and it's the microphone that literally every YouTuber uses. And those, even if you see those YouTubers who have the Rode expensive mics, they from starting they use this Boya M1 mic, and now I have seen many YouTubers which have 1 million 2 million subscribers, still they use this mic, and this is very popular among the YouTubers. I won't say very popular, it's the most popular mic among the YouTubers. And if you want to buy any mic under 1000 rupees, then I would recommend you this. This costs just 729 rupees, and literally you can ask any YouTuber to buy which microphone under 1000 rupees, and every YouTuber will suggest you this Boya by M1 mic. it's a lapel mic and it is an omnidirectional mic, and also the cable length is of 20 feet. That means the cable is also very long, so you can shoot videos from distance also. So it is a very popular mic and you can buy it from the description box below. And if you want to buy any microphone under 1000 rupees, just go with Boya BY-M1 microphone and you will never regret it. And that's my words, mark my words, you will never regret it. So our next equipment is of background. So you can buy two things. You can buy a green screen or a wallpaper like this. So let me give a quick advice to you. If you have a smartphone or camera that produces ample amount of noise or decent amount of noise, then go for these backgrounds or wallpapers. And if your smartphone or camera produces less noise in the videos, then you can go for the green screen. And if you want to know the reason why I'm saying this, just see this video in the iCard after this video ends and you will get to know why I'm saying this. So let's talk about the backgrounds now. So about this wallpaper, I won't share any link with you because you guys may be of different genre. Maybe I will be sharing you the wallpapers of tech genre, but you want a different genre wallpaper, so those wallpapers won't fit you. So if you want to buy any wallpaper, just go to Amazon and search wallpaper backgrounds for YouTube videos and you will get tons of backgrounds on the Amazon or Flipkart, so you can buy from there. But speaking of green screen, so there are also many green screen available on the Amazon and Flipkart, but I have chosen the best one for you. It's called the Stukin 8x12 feet green Lekera backdrop photolight studio photography background. Basically it is a green screen and it costs 470 rupees and it's a 8 feet by 12 feet green screen, so it's fairly big green screen. You guys know the advantages of green screen, that there are unlimited possibilities with the green screen. So if you want to buy any background for your YouTube videos, just go with the green screen. You can change the background anytime, and I would say the green screen are the perfect option for your YouTube videos. And again, if you want to buy all these items, you can buy from the description box below. Affiliate links are present in the description box below. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. By the way, wait, I have the complete playlist called the YouTube series playlist, which will be appearing here in the I button, so you can check the videos. I have a lot of helpful videos for YouTubers for you guys, so definitely check out those videos. Those are very helpful for you guys, and if you are a YouTuber, then you must check out all these videos because this will help you a lot. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So if you enjoyed the video, then smash that like button and share with other creator friends, other YouTuber friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing tech videos. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. See you guys in the next video. Till then, this is Karan Gade signing off.